Strict aircraft maintenance procedures require regular detailed visual inspections of the airplanes. For today's large aircraft, it can be time-consuming, labor-intensive and costly, says EasyJet's project manager Mark Bunting.
They need to bring it into the hangar or drive heavy machinery around, and it takes quite a bit of time out of service, so it delays passengers.
Enter modern technology. 4-rotor drones called quadcopters are affordable, easy to operate, and offer a high degree of control. They can also carry high-resolution video cameras.
The whole idea is to replace the mechanical equipment that goes around the airplanes, but not replace the work the engineers do, which is vital. So we need to give them the information that they can use to decide if the aircraft's fit to fly or not.
Another expense which modern technology can keep low is the manufacture of spare parts, such as armrests and cup holders, says EasyJet's head of engineering, Ian Davis.
They get broken day in, day out, are really hard to get. They have long lead times with the manufacturer. What we're using is we're removing them, we are scanning them, we are 3D printing the prototype, and from the prototype we can create molds to be able to make these things in thousands at a fraction of the cost that we used to.
As 3D printing is no longer restricted to plastic, some aircraft engine manufacturers are planning to use it for printing much more costly metal parts.
There is technology, 3D printed metal technology, that actually improves fuel burn and fuel costs are our biggest cost. Saving fuel means that our fares can remain low.
Virtual reality goggles can also be used for lowering the cost of staff training. EasyJet's Gary Smith says cabin and maintenance crews will be able to experience many different situations.
We can build a virtual cabin as on an EasyJet aircraft, and then allow engineers, crew, etc. to imagine they're on board, for example, for training purposes.
EasyJet says it will start employing the new technologies for maintenance and training within the next 12 months. George Putic, VOA News, Washington.